Oh. So many things to click, so many things to do. Okay, so, oh, why didn't that notification show up? So this library is still on my mind. Keep thinking of ways to make it better. Whoa, what's whoa? Whoa. Okay, so I added errors to my Roblox loading. These are all the ways that it can fail, but all of them are recoverable. So it's sort of a error report of what happened while it was loading the map, and it'll just kind of skip the object or something if it can't decode it. And then what I want to do is in the map tool, I want to print out what the status report is. Like, there were 6,000 errors. That kind of thing. I wonder if any maps will become decodable that were like previously not decodable, because I did fix a lot of panics where the library would just crash instead of handling it properly. So now I have a proper error path. What I keep thinking about, or what I thought about this morning with this library is, what if you decode the chunks first, or like in parallel? What if it's like a significant portion of the decode time? Anybody add any comments? No. Yeah, it's exactly this. So we want to see like how long this takes. I should do my main work first. Okay, so what I got to do is ignore the errors on the strafe client and don't ignore the errors elsewhere. So toSniff returns complete map. So I think I can actually just do .0 and I'll be like, yeah, okay. And then this has errors. Presumably that shouldn't be a problem. Like, if there's errors there, the Lua is like malfunctioning. The Lua library. Basically, like it's out of memory or something. Okay, well that was easy on that one. I just ignore all the errors. I guess I could print them. God, there's a dedicated like error path. Feels bad. Unwrap is like lazy. That's like what I was fixing yesterday. So to do that, to put it in. Okay, how about map errors equals to this. Why is the question mark the wrong color? Okay, map, shocker, just like that. But then errors, what does that do? We could say like if errors.count not equals 0, then errors encountered while loading the map, and then just display it, I guess, errors, and then something like that. Load error. I could totally do stuff. Something. Okay. So that's that code. Why don't I... Oh, it's not that complicated. Okay, so we got map errors. Cool. Let script errors equals to this, and we can show that here as well. This is script errors. It's unused. Where'd it go? All right. So the map tool is now fixed. Okay. Well, that did not take as long as I thought. So previously it would just kind of print out stuff. A result, convert to sniff, read await. I'm using async just for read. Spawn Roblox to sniff. Okay, I say drop permit. Convert error. Okay, so it's just... Why is this... This looks... IO result. Like literally... I guess I didn't do this right. Huh. Okay. I know that I don't need this. It's gonna be as slice. Tokyo spawn. So I'm gonna I'm gonna end up with a list of... I want to end up with a list of results. And only start printing at the end. I don't know. This seems like a bad idea. So I'm just going to go stdfs read no await. And then we don't need it here either. And then this is spawn blocking. Oh, really? Just like this. Oh my. Wow. Hmm. So this is doing a semaphore, which is great. But I want to collect the results into a list. Hmm. So that's what this type of stuff is doing. Is it's doing send. I got like this send receive thing. Send await. Seems like standard MPSC would be good. So I want here struct recoverable errors, script errors, and convert errors. We can just call it errors, tbh, and then what is this? Runner error. Fact. Yeah. So we got this. Should I just do this? And then I can do like this. What? What? Okay. And then surely this pastes. Okay. Cool. Okay. So now we have errors. Oh no. Yeah, it's pretty weird. Alright, screw it. I'll do it. Give me that. This guy. Coming. God damn. Why did I say go? I'm like, what? This is not the right path, is it? Lib. Shut up. Okay, so we got script errors. Is that like unrecoverable? Um. Hmm. Unwrap or. Cool. So it's not actually a death error, so I don't actually need to add it here. Cool. I guess I could. It does mean something. Like if it's the error variant, then it didn't run any scripts. Then these are like the script errors. It's kind of jank. Whatever. Okay, so it's returning errors. Result. Yeah. Hmm. Do I need Tokyo at all here? Okay, it's got this semaphore. I really want to like list the results at the end. In a concise way. All right, I'm going to make an impl for this to count the errors and potentially print the errors. All right. Should be a U size or a U. I guess it's a U size. Oh boy. Oh boy. Literally, I just grab every single one of these and add them. You can't have an iterator over. Yeah, no, that's not a thing. Boom. Okay, so it goes self dot boom dot length plus. Can you have a prefix plus? No. Oh dear. All right. So before we get started with the error count or with the error printing, all right. Errors. I don't know, man. Oh. Yeah, okay. Excuse me. I it's kind of tough to make good debug messages here. Error count. Boom. Error count. Okay. So that is that. What has gone on here? Right. So I think that Arcane loads with no errors. Got like nil instances and stuff. Uh. Gosh. Test it. I just want to like work on the other thing. Strafe. Map tool. Cargo build. Four. Did I guess I updated it for the other thing. So what I expect to see is like 1,000 errors on some maps. But I really wanted to like do a status report. Hello. Pod friend man. This thing takes forever to build. Okay, let's go to like that, and then uh, yeah, like this. You done? Okay, so let's see. Oh no, I wanted that. Damn, I just wanted to quickly ls. Okay, god damn it. st map target. Yeah, this guy. Okay. Error count 3. Cool. Okay. Huh. Error loading mesh nan. Cool. Got 3 errors. Took 1 full second. That's kind of crazy. Well, what were the errors? Probably there were 3 of the same error, if I had to guess. Ugh, okay. Spat everywhere. Beautiful. Okay, hmm. Wait, does this have no error path? Oh no, it's the error right there. So this guy is IO result. Oh damn. This is Tokyo. Why is this the wrong color? Double question mark is crazy. Alright, you can stay a result, I guess. That's fine. 100k channel points. Wow, worthless points. That's crazy. You sure made that number go up when you watched the TV. Yep. Why is there no notification? Oh, it's because the monitors went dark, isn't it? Yeah. It's because Hyperland is broken. Okay. Hmm. Wait. This is wrong. Huh. 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 So if you run multiple copies of this function, you just die instantly. That's unlucky. So what am I talking about? So this says this is a static. So that means that it's kind of like right here. It's outside the function. It's like a global variable. So if you call this function on 2 different threads, or even just call it twice, it will add permits twice. Because it'll add it and then it'll add it again. Huh. So it just happens to work because it's only ever called once. Why do you suppose this is U32? Huh. That is not thread safe. But the problem is that if we try to make it um, not static here, like that, then it's like, it doesn't label the viral value. It's moved into the closure. It's around the permanent viral. Let's see how we can fix this actually. Dropped here while borrowed. Argument requires that stem is borrowed for static. Okay. So is this guy static? Send in static. Yeah. So you can't really do what a I mean, I know for sure that that it lives across this scope and that this will wait for all the threads. So I could just like transmute it to static. But like damn, that's nasty. I'm gonna write it down. This is wrong. Calling the function multiple times. I mean, that's enough. Okay, it's noted. Noted. Problem noted. Okay, so it said there's 3 errors. Oh, 3 errors. Ooh, 3 errors. So I want to print them. Yeah. Okay, impl. I don't think there's core format, is there? Oh, there is. Okay. For recoverable errors. Year. So now basically I have to make a mile-long function that goes through every single error and it like there was this error, there was that error, there was this error, there was that error. Okay. Year. So it's gonna be like this. Basically. Yep. So if boom dot length not equals 0, a base part has an invalid missing property. So it's like I should probably have some macro thing. Hmm. All right. Coffee vanquished. I have cream cheese spaghetti in the fridge. It's exciting. What's up? I'm continuing where I left off yesterday. I'm also interested in messing around with the Roblox decoder library again. I'm going to try and profile it to see if it's spending a significant amount of time decompressing chunks in like LZ or ZSDD compression formats. I suspect that it's going to be like less than 5% of the runtime, but you never know. If it's like 90% of the runtime, we got to multi-thread that. Green cheese spaghetti. Yesterday I had carbonara tteokbokki, which that's like a Korean word. It like sounds really odd. It's carbonara sauce, so like oh, can't go wrong, right? But then cabbage, ham, rice cakes, and like a other little ingredients. It's so good. Like you're like, well, it's carbonara cabbage, but it's super good. The cabbage and the carbonara are like the best part. Cabbage is the best part. Okay. Cabbage. Oh, cabbage. Okay, so what's going on here? We got to say like, oh, yo, yeah, dude. It's like, right. Uh, following. Okay, actually, this is right. Objects. We're missing property. That's not super descriptive. Yeah. Okay, so we can do right, maybe F. Oh, yeah, okay. Plural, I guess. God damn it. God damn it. Alright, like there's gonna be a lot of these, so I need like either a macro or a function. Probably function concat macro. Okay, so it's gonna be like the class or okay, so it's like literal. Are you allowed to say literal, or should I say expr? I don't know. Okay. Literal. Is that real? Can you actually say that? I mean, oh, okay. So we got class. We got field, which is a ident. Oh, I have to pluralize it. Meow. I'm so silly. Okay. I'm gonna do it. I really like being correct with plurals. Okay. So let len equals to self dot field dot length, and then let plural. Oh, actually, we want to if statement this first. Arrow. Oh. This needs a good old question mark. Yeah. So this is the old length, and then now we go plural equals to if len equals 1, then it's this guy. Boom, else, boom, surely, and then plural. Oh, where was R? Is R? I mean, that's fine. So we just say base parts R is R. That's brutal. Yeah. Okay, and then this guy. Excuse me. And then missing a property. I believe we can go like this, and then do self dot field dot iter. They're freaking like stringy dingies. Join comma. Oh no, yeah. Oh, is it, you can do that on vec string, right? Who knows? Okay. Okay, you guys shut up. And we want this to say okay. Huh? Oh, wait, what? The usage is invalid. Okay. Self ident. Okay. Okay. Hmm? Oh. 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 Okay. Yeah. Oh, it's not done. Okay. Not the greatest macro I've ever written. So I have to join it with something or other. So does that work? Because these are not strings. These are... Okay, what if I do like iter? Oh, I might need to collect it into a vec. I guess it's not really a problem. Iter map. Okay, so it said, yeah, join. Goodness. So you're allowed to do you're allowed to do join on a vec of stirs. I'm curious what that implementation is actually. This is difficult. Intermap join. Why don't I'll just do it the stupid way. Collect vec of something. Yup. And then dot join. Is that still not allowed? String join. Reference to string join. Okay, how about as stir? So that works. I could also do it differently. I could avoid the intermediate allocation, but yeah. I think I'm gonna change the order of this because it's stupid. Property error. So yeah. So anything that says property here. So like part property. Boom. And then part. Ooh, and that's it. So pretty easy. It's actually I can do like this. Self. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Okay, so then comma. Yeah. So we got mesh part. Decal. I always used to say decal. But it's not decal, it's decal. Who would have thunk it? Oh, okay. Well, does it? Oh, it's gonna take 7 years to compile. It might be one of those. No, it's probably not one of those actually. Okay, next. You know what? I hate it. I'll just do iter. Where's my other guy? It's in this guy. So I got a macro here that goes like, ooh, I'm a macro. It goes hard. Yeah. Yeah. Rewrite in Go. Ain't no way. So we do, oh, it's right. Okay, so we want like this. Right comma separated. How do you call this function? F. Actually, it's $F, obviously. And then mut it. So the iterator is just this guy. And then custom right is a closure. So we just boom this closure into here, and that's it. Question mark, semicolon, and then this goes away. Goes away. Oh my. Right F. Oh. Do you really gotta do it like that? 2 arguments. Ooh. Oh, formatter, obviously. Okay. Well, I mean, I guess it's not so obvious. I could totally call it a function mut and then pass it in from the outside, but like, okay. A little bit silly, but no allocation. Yeah. Oh, you can do this. Also, you can do this. Holy smokes. Did I build it? I did. Let's see. Actually, it doesn't print it. Okay, wait. Think. So I just say error count, but for real, I wanna errors, and then okay, that errors dot that one. Oh, is this owned? Totally is. Cool. Okay. Well, that's passing around a big chunk of bytes. Okay, so tell me. What are the errors? I haven't finished writing out all of them. I think I'm gonna take down a chunk of these and do write parse int error. The following failed to parse. Oh. All right. What you say? Oh, really? That was one of the errors. Terrain is a base part. Which property do you think was missing? Do I? Shocking. I did not expect that. But like, look at how nice that error message is. The following base part is missing a property, workspace.terrain. I know exactly what happened. Exactly. It was worth it. Okay, so let's find where the error is generated. So recoverable errors, base part, property, instance path. Okay, so base part is missing one of these properties, or terrain. So we can actually look at the Roblox wiki. Roblox wiki base part. So cool. And then locate. Please go. Any day. Amazing. Okay. You gotta love it. Okay. So one of these things is not like the others. Color. No. Transparency. No. Size, C-frame. Size, C-frame. I saw both of those. Velocity. Oh. Okay. So I'm not seeing velocity here. Oh, I guess it's just like assembly linear velocity. Uh, PV instance. Um. All right, I'm gonna go to the like better one actually. Oh, it's not this one. Okay, I know where it is. It's right here. Yeah. Base part. So I can actually see what the hell's going on. Okay, so terrain is a base part. So what about form factor part? Form factor. That's all it does. Oh, grr. So I'm sure this lists velocity here. Oh no, it's deprecated. What? $2022 they added SIS. There's no way. Write only. Okay, I don't actually know which property it's missing. That is odd, but it's not important. SIS, yeah, like what the hell? I could actually look at the file and see which one it is. That's interesting though. That terrain is missing that information. I would not have known. It just before it would just silently recover from the issue. It would like ignore the problem. Now it reports the problem. It's like, oh, we don't have that. We don't do that. Okay, so parse int. What the hell? Something failed to parse. Parse int error. Who did this? Parse int. F self mode ID. Oh. And then mode IDs. Yeah. Okay, so this is a something else. Parse int context. So we have context and error. I'm just gonna smack both of them. So it's like, we'll see how this goes. Okay, so it's like, this is the wrong one. Context dot path context dot error. Oh, what context? Oh, okay. So parsing an integer, it's so it's like, oh, this object, or no, this context. Wait, what? String. Okay, so that's, yeah, okay. Sure. I think that's a good enough error. Cool. Okay. Great. Yeah. Okay, so the other parse int fields, we can do the same thing. Yeah, like this. Okay, so this is stage ID. This is wormhole out ID. This is wormhole in ID. There's a lot of ways that things can fail. Jump limit. Ooh, cool. Duplicate. Oh, there's probably an empty mesh part, ain't it? I ain't having that. Okay, cool. Pain. Duplicate. Duplicate. So the following had a duplicate. F self. Okay, so I think I can just say it like this. The following had, and it's gonna be like the following mode IDs have duplicates. And then there is no other guy. It's just like N. Oh, like look at this. This one is U32. This one is mode ID. And this one is like this. Do I have display on this? I don't think I do. I have debug. So this is a ID of some kind. Let's just try this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So duplicate mode ID, duplicate stage. A stage ID. Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Getting there, getting there. Few more properties to go. Haven't encountered any of the other errors yet. It's probably a C frame and a mesh part. I think it's a C frame and a mesh part. That's my guess. Okay. How do I do this? So how is this done? C frame error, convert error. This is bespoke. Well, I guess these are all the same, actually. Because they have the path and then the value. So I could make a macro that does all of them. Write bespoke error. So that covers this one. Mesh part content. What's that? Oh, instance path. No mesh. Okay. Property content. Ooh. So I could actually call this like um, instance path error. And then I could say problem literal okay, maybe a second. Yeah. And then this guy. Ah. Okay, and then I can say mesh part content. The following mesh parts are has, have, no mesh. Okay. So bespoke error, the idea it is to have more fields like that. Problem. So it'll be like, ooh, I'm the problem. Plural, problem. And then, this is a context. And then probably we'll do just like this. Oh, hey, look. This is a bespoke error. Hey. So this is, we're gonna need two idents here. Path, ident, and path field, and then what's the other one? Error field, ident. Yeah, so it'd be like this, and then like that. Bespoke error, and then we can change all of these to bespoke error. So the bespoke error is failed to parse context error. Let's go. Okay. So then now that covers all of these. Some of them. Bespoke. Bespoke. Okay, base part C frame. So these are base parts. What happened? It could not convert to float. Float, convert, failed. And then these are the wrong properties. It's a C-frame error. Path error. Path error. C-frame error type. Instance path. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. So pull should be like super easy. Okay. So that's good. And then this guy debug instead. Okay, what does that do to the bespoke errors? So failed to parse. Error is a parse int error. Kind. Display. Debug. Description format. I don't like that. Okay, so I want to implement display instead of debug for this. So that is C-frame error type impl display for and it's fine to just go like this. Right. F. Self. Debug. Whee. Okay. Fantastical. Well, there it is. C-frame. So actually, let's say C-frame float convert failed, and then velocity float convert failed. You good? Fixed from float error. I need this guy. I'm just gonna slam it in. Okay. Part dot shape. We got another bespoke error. So part shape. So it's not a base part. It is a part. Shape is invalid. Shape. And there you go. Unsupported class. So it is a base part. Subclass is unsupported. And path class string. Oh. Okay, so I can't do that string. Okay, the follow. Okay, it's not the same. So it's like the following classes are not supported. There's only one. Okay. Uh, uh, oof. String. Oh. GG. Okay. And then normal ID. That is another bespoke error. Normal ID. And that is normal ID. Is it a base part? I think it is. Oh, decal. Really? Okay. Okay. Decal. Normal ID is valid. Path. Normal ID. And that's it. There's all the errors. Okay, that only was a little bit insane. Had to like append a couple libraries. This is wrong. Display, right. Okay. Did I forget to save it? No, okay. Okay, it builded. Oh, no new lines. Nah. Ooh. Okay, so wormhole out IDs have duplicates 1 and 2. Really. That doesn't. On Arcane? I don't think that error is correct. That would like be really bad. Could be like a bonus. Okay, so I need. Oh, true. Nah. Nice. Okay. So to add this as a dependency, just so I can have the error. I don't like it. I'm gonna get rid of it and re-export. So we're gonna do pub use Roblox emulator runner error as runner error. And then now I can access that from here. Like this. Runner error. And I don't need to have that new dependency. Much better. Yeah. Um, partially moved. Oh. Okay, well, that's fine. Okay, well, I don't need that anymore then. Cool. Okay, we should get better stuff. Okay, I don't know if that is sensible. Because, like, before I just said, like, something dumb, right? So, refactor. Error. Loader lib. I believe it's lib. Oh, report script errors. Yeah, runner error. Okay, so I was saying, okay, runner error. Okay, so I'll say, like, script error. Like that. And then I can do that here as well. Okay. It's still going. Takes so long. Alright, run it and... Okay, so errors. The following base part is missing a property. No script errors. So why does it say the wormhole out IDs have duplicates? Let's go locate. Okay, so I'm quite a bit more happy with this now. So what's required here? Okay, so... Cool. Easy. Loader will display recoverable error. So it should be update. Oh, update map tool. Error. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, and then makes sense. Oh. Okay, so this guy should be part of report script errors. I know it. Because now it's required in the return type. Should I actually say that it's a runner error? Does it say that on the function signature? Cool. Okay. Unused error variant. Oh, yeah, that's something else, but that's okay. Uh, huh. So what is that? Error loading mesh. So this is not going into the error report. Okay, let's see why this is happening. God. Okay, duplicate wormhole out. I see. Okay. It's because I did it wrong. Nice. So there were just two wormholes there. All right, let's find more of these guys. Is some map error insert stage. Yeah, okay. So I just got the code wrong. Fair. So duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. I think I saw all of them. Okay. So this goes all the way down here. So we shouldn't see those errors. Those were misreported. Like I thought. 168 lines of code. It's kind of crazy. I should have done this yesterday. It only took an hour. I was just not feeling it. You know what I'm saying? Why is it rebuilding the BSP loader? Whew, very good. Hmm. Well, there should be a lot less. It's tough. I want to have. I want to see the errors in a way where I can trace them back to where they originated from, so that I can fix them. So we should only have like one error here. Error count 1, and it's like a nonsense error. I'm not really sure why. Why? Uh, why is it base part? That's stupid. That's really dumb. That's dumb. Um, I wanted to like remove the spam, but then this is a different part of loading that allows it to silently fail. Or I guess it's not so silent, but cool. So there is one error and it's meaningless, which is pretty neat. Except for these errors, those are meaningful. Nan is crazy. So what that means is that there are meshes that have floating point values that are meaningless. Not a number. Nan is not a number. You would think you would not want that. Like, how does it? What would that mean to have a invalid number in a mesh? Why would you ever have that? So, okay. Yeah, is it a different thing? I have no idea. I just don't know. Okay. So I want to run all maps, but I want to see if it can successfully convert more maps now. Because previously there was 35 maps which failed to convert. But how do I do that? Okay, so where's the files? Files are here. So maps. I think it's right here. Old. Yes, old. How many are there here? 332. 320. There's less. I guess I added more features. Old 1. Old 2. So I want to generate the maps and compare to how many are doable on the other one. So how do I do this? Map tool. Oh, easy. Okay. Literally just go like this and then it does everything. Okay, so we want to see the big spam of output. So log, I guess. 2, 3. Oh, vibe by 0. How did it do? 0. Oh my god. So very common error. Really? There's objects missing a property. I never would have known unless I did this. Ooh. The following textures are missing a property. $800. I knew there was going to be brilliant. How long is this? Oh wow. What do you suppose found light means? Oh, that's the script printing that, isn't it? What? Okay, okay. So I have this feeling that I'm not going to be able to 100% the errors. I would have to make all the errors go away, and there's a lot of errors. Unknown scheme. Okay, that needs a context. Oh. Hmm. Lots of maps have no errors. That's pretty cool. F. 313 maps have no errors. Well, other than this seemingly guaranteed terrain error. Oh, wait a second. Do I create the terrain? Hold on. Roblox emulator. Hold on. Context. Services. I create the terrain. It's my fault. It's my fault that the terrain doesn't have the properties. Well, let's go. Let's fix it. Okay. With property terrain. So terrain, we need 4 properties. Oh god. Oh. Properties iterator. KV. Damn. Well, that's nice. So, let's see. We need 4 properties on this. Dude, that's amazing. It's my fault. I can fix it. It's not just like, oh, the file was missing it. It's not in the file. It's my fault. Okay, where is it doing it? Base part. Nope. Okay, so I need all these suckers. What? Euster variant. Ugh, okay. So I need to pick. Oh, jeez. Values. Hmm. Should be good. So I'm just like, bump, and then can I just say like default? Can you imagine? Not bad. So can collide. True. I guess it's always no. I guess I can look at the properties on the terrain and copy those values. False. Color 3. Transparency 0. Velocity. Yeah. Types. Vector 3. 0. There's no 0. Pain. Vector 3. Freak. I gotta make a C frame. I can't just say like identity or something. Come on, man. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, thank you. But there's no C-frame identity. Okay. Okay, so I need to go like this, that, types. Oh, matrix identity. Oh, okay. So what the smack is this? Color 3 uint 8 new. Don't know what that means, but there you go. Properties. Transparency. Why is terrain a base part? That's so freaking dumb. So stupid. Okay, so wait, why did it not make the maps? What did I do? Write map file. I made a mistake. I set the wrong output folder. It overwrote a bunch of files too. Oh, that sucks. Okay. I'm just gonna delete all of them. It's whatever. It was just a scratch folder. Okay, so what I really wanted to do was go maps, bhop, sniff them like this. Damn. Okay. Okay, so let's try this. It's gonna make an intangible part of size 0 as the terrain. Um, uh, give terrain properties to dodge error. So it is, okay, I guess I'm actually gonna make it invisible here. So it should generate no physics and no graphics. It might still be represented though. I don't know. Why is it a base part? That's so dumb. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Wow, 3, 3, 4. So there's a single divide by 0 on one of the maps. So it actually does produce more maps than it did before. All right, let's check the log. 0 determinant. Wait, what? Did they make a stupid function? What? Is my code backwards? 0 determinant is 0. No. Is 0. Oh no. Oh god. Is there some kind of special case where the terrain always has a 0 C-frame? Well, I mean, at least the error is reported. I wonder why this one is missing a property. I really wanted to get rid of these errors because, you know, there's 313 of them. It would be a lot less spammy without those. Ooh, backtrace. What the hell is that? Oh, is it like printing multiple things at once or something? Bad Magic CGSK. Union mesh data. That's a real error. Cheers, mate. Run service. Missing a property. Why are they missing a property? Zero determinant is crazy, especially considering I'm writing the determinant as not 0. I'm writing it with an identity matrix that is not 0. Is it doing the... No, it's doing the determinant of the matrix part. So like dot matrix 3 dot det. Okay, well, let's go see if there's some sort of special case. Oh. Terrain. wish I could collapse all. Custom properties.lua. Yeah. I don't understand how that's possible. Oh. So it decode it. So all the properties now exist, but for some reason the C frame is 0, even though I did not write it as 0. Why? C frame, C frame, C frame new. This is the position. This is the orientation. Like, there's no way that this is wrong. That's exactly correct. Okay, what if I just like say screw it and I inline it? I doubt this will change anything, but it's hard to trust. Is this like wrong? Did I literally implement the determinant of a matrix wrong? That would be wild. So I doubt this changed anything. It still says 0 determinant. This is like shocking. Um Okay, I'm just gonna debug this. Takes a full minute to compile. Yeah, this didn't do anything. So I want to see, is it actually 0, or is my my conversion wrong? Find the stream. Evidence own the game before. The only proof that that's pretty crazy. I don't think that would be very good proof, if I'm being honest. Satisfactory. Experimental update for 24. Oh. Why is there way fewer results? God, YouTube sucks. Can I like have a better really? Okay, YouTube search sucks so much that I can't find it. So it says that there's 24 results, and then when I go to find them, there's 2. I don't know how to find it. Oh, maybe it's over here. Oh, okay. Okay, found it. When? Satisfactory with dude. 2019. How do I? God, YouTube is so ass. Damn, I was like, was that in Mom's basement? Looks like Mom's basement. Long time ago, 2019. Okay, run it again. So it's not 0. Oh. the size is 0. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, I was like having a panic attack there because like if my conversion of floating point numbers was wrong and yet it was working for everything else, like what insane issue? But no, okay, it was just okay. Ugh. So I can't have 0 size. It's got to be something. Holy moly. Okay. Okay. So this should not have the error anymore. And so we should get 300 fewer errors in the big ol' everything log. No more error count 1. It'll be error count 0. Well, it actually doesn't print when there's 0 errors. No way. I'm totally learning about like Roblox maps here. Cause like previously these were just ignored or like yeah, no, I'm writing down the errors properly. Okay. Do it all. Divide by 0 is crazy. The following class is not supported terrain. I mean, that's good. So I can some terrain causing so many problems. So I could actually skip over it, I guess. Well, no, because like I want the scripts to fill in the terrain eventually. But good that it's like failing because I was like, oh, is it gonna generate some sort of like okay, so well that means that I don't need the transparency to be 1. But the can collide does stay. I don't know. I don't know. Is terrain? I have no idea. Like, are you even allowed to modify this property? Ugh. Okay. Not supported. What did he say? So, class is not supported. Yeah, so we can go like, if it's terrain, skip it. Just skip it. I mean, that's obvious that it's skipping terrain, so cool. Now I have to wait another minute for it to compile. Bah. Bro, one of the maps full crashes while converting. That's crazy. Divide by 0. What the hell? Is it like 0 size or something? Is that even allowed? I have no idea. Obscure. I really cooked this really hard. It's way better than it started. It's very epic. Alright. Do it again. And let's see the no errors. The following class is not supported. Seat. The following base parts are missing a property. All right. Who has the most errors? That's what I want to know. 800? That's pretty good. That's a lot of errors. The following stage ID have duplicates. Stage ID have. Mode 0, stage 1. Probably I should improve this a little bit. Okay. Um, yeah. Plural. Duplicate. Okay, and then C-frame error. Debug. I just debug printed it? Did I really? Can I do better? Duplicate stage error. Yeah. Okay, so mode ID. Does mode ID have display? No. It could. Okay, so match self. Are you allowed to say like that? Introduce a new binding. Okay. Gaming. Okay. Glad you can do that. Do I need to say like this? Okay, okay, okay. Whatever you say. Cool. Okay, so main bonus N. GG. So then, over on the error, I can say spawn like something like a self dot mode ID. Wait, why is it C frame error type? And then self dot stage ID. Uh-oh. Get, I guess. Sick. All right. So it's like main spawn 5, bonus 1 spawn 5 type business. You're here. Okay, well, nice. I'm gonna do more squashing here. Simple display for mode ID. Oop. It's very cool. This is common. Yeah, and then this is just formatting, which is down here. I think. So let's see. So this should go down, down, down. All the way down to right there, right after this one. And then this goes in here. Okay. Okay. Let's keep reading through the logs here. And see more errors. Runtime error. CSG model. So it makes sense that there's meshes that fail to parse. So why are textures are missing a property spawns texture? So when the texture is missing a property, what do that mean? Decal, I guess. Oh, nice. Okay. Texture property. So what does this say? Decal class equals texture. No, this is if let I don't understand. All right, we generate the logs again. Well, I'm like overwriting a gigabyte of maps in 7 seconds. Mind you. Found light. 3 seconds. Yes. So converting all Bhop maps ever in 3 seconds. Love Rust. Okay, the old 800 errors. And then let's there should be a nicely formatted error somewhere. Oh, I guess the order isn't guaranteed. There it is. Look at that. So the following stage ID has duplicates. Main spawn 1. Isn't that a nice error message? I love making error messages. Love making error messages. Nice. SDC01. Dot error. Have no mesh. Prop dynamic error. Have no mesh. It just tells you the problems, huh? It could still be better, for sure. Source. Script error, Lua error, source. Attempt to index nil with starter character scripts. That's the last line. This is an illegal script. The Crusher. Oh, duplicates main spawn 1. The following state has duplicates main spawn 20. Who knows what map it is? God damn it. Should probably be printing that. Whew. Lots of source code. Lots of duplicate spawns. That's like undefined behavior. It'll like randomly teleport you to the wrong spawn, and you like can't reproduce the thing. Behavior. So like if you hit a trigger 5, and there's 2 spawn 5s, the next time you load the map, you might teleport to a different spawn 5 when you hit the same trigger. And so yeah, that's bad. Wow. Aren't the error messages nice? Damn. Damn, boy. So it looks like those 8... Oh yeah, it's the... Wait. Is this the silly script? I don't know. Runtime error expected color 3. Oh. That'll do it. Lots of duplicate spawns. I guess that these maps were all the ones that didn't convert previously, because like that used to be a fatal error to have duplicate spawns. So script errors. Ugh. Script errors are great and all. Is it the end? No. This is a malicious script in synced v2. Nil with connect. Do I have that disabled? Nil with fog start. Nice one, dude. God damn it. Like you literally have a variable for lighting and then you just go, oh no, I'm just gonna do this instead. And then on the next line, oh my god. So bad. Vehicle seat. So there's seat and vehicle seat. I definitely I was intent on. Why is this so loud? Oh my god. It's clipping. It's the cool notes. I was definitely intent on trying to 100% the errors, but there's a lot. There's a lot of errors. Most of them are like I can't be fixed. This one I could like add support for seats. It would just be like the same as a part. I would just like match the class, I guess. You know what? I could totally print the error, but then match or default as well. That's a good idea. Index nil with brightness. I am not sure what it's finding. And that's the end. Many, many errors. It's kind of fun that it prints out. The script prints out a bunch of stuff. All right, let's silence the errors and see what happens. So it'll be in the map tool. So if I don't print script errors, does anything else jump out at me? Hmm. Well, I went from what, like 90% of maps being convertible to 99% of maps being convertible. There is that one map that's doing a divide by zero. I'll have to figure that out. All right. See, it says divide by zero here. Why? 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 Which one? Okay, so what does the log say? Base part missing a property. Load texture unknown scheme. Teleport missing a property. So it skips the objects, which is bad. Base part missing a property is crazy. Why would it be doing like that? Which property is it missing? It couldn't be because of scripts, could it? 827. So it just defaults to 0, but mesh parts have no mesh. It's very pleasing. All right, why don't I do seat and vehicle seat? How are you doing? Well, are these subclasses of part? Let's see. Part. Form factor part. Okay, let's go back to the Dewey. Seat. They are subclasses of part. Wait, vehicle seat is not. Oh, what the hell? So that means vehicle seat doesn't have shape. That's freaking crazy. Okay. So this is more like that. So seat is a part, but vehicle seat is not a part. Where's the old truss part? Trusty. Yeah, okay. Triangle mesh part. Corner wedge part. Huh. Huh. Seat can have a shape. What about the spawn location? Spawn. Okay, that's here as well. Platform. Historically a form of seat. This object is no longer creatable and cannot be used by developers. Okay. Okay. Okay, Roblox. Okay. Why does it say, oh, don't use this, but it's not crossed out? Flag stand. I'm learning C++. How's the progress with the map converter? I'm like done here. I've just added a few last touches. Lex loader, support, seat, vehicle seat, spawn location. Brilliant. We'll get like just a little bit more objects. Fantastic. So yeah, I went from 90% of maps converting successfully to 99%. One of them still tries to divide by 0, and I don't feel like looking at that right now. So I think this is good. Brilliant. So I think this is a whole feature here. And I'm ready to merge it. Well, I guess I haven't tried the Strafe client yet. I'll try that. Ew. Strafe. Cargo build. Release features. Roblox. Okay, and then run this here, and we'll see. Can we see the log get generated as it runs? Yes-ish. Oh yeah, there it went. So divide by 0 on a single map. Don't know what that is. 827 errors on one map. Okay, but we shouldn't see the vehicle seat error anymore. Unsupported. Cool. So nothing in any maps is unsupported. No way. So this is also built. So let's go try it out. Tools. Run. Are you in? That was fast. It's a script error. Attempt to index nil with global shadows. Lowercase lighting. Boo. Okay, well, that worked. Damn, that was great. Oh my god. Oh, it's so smooth. Nice. Missed something. Can I make that? Yes, I can. Oh man, I couldn't. I ran out of mousepad space. Damn. That was like a not horrible run. Nope. Nah. Hmm. Can I do 2? I can. Gaming. I never go that way. And what was my time? 84 seconds. Awful. So everything still works. Everything works better. Okay, so yeah. That's what I wanted to do. Oh, fantastical. Excuse me. I think that deserves a new loader version. Version bump 7. And then got to specify that? No, it all just works. And the map tool as well. It's a minor update for the map tool. Oh. I mean, it does include emulator updates as well. It's a big change. Emulator. Yeah, it's minor, but real. Okay, why do you suppose? Oh. What? Oh. You good? Okay. So emulator first. And then uh, hmm. Hmm. Oh, 1 points. So this guy is either part of this or that. I think it's like this. Okay, so we go like this. Cargo, publish. Package Roblox emulator. Surely. Surely it works. Uh-oh. 0.02. Crap. Anybody missing? Bin RW 15. What? Oh my. Why is it? Okay, bin RW. Let's go look at the release. That sounds exciting. Two weeks ago. Does it break? Who knows? I would have to go update my library, wouldn't I? Oh, what happened? Oh. Okay. Squab. I'm so crazy. I think this is details. What the hell is a squab? Oh, I see. Status code and that one. See if I can do this. Who's first? Okay. I don't think it binds by reference. All right. Nice. Think I'll go for this. So, okay, this, I think I was saved. Oh. Yeah. It's only the map tool that affects a fake, as far as I know. Okay. Nice. Love updating dependencies. I'll fix that later. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, so now okay, so now I can do oh, I'm stupid. What? Oh. Wait, what? Verifying. Oh, okay. Interesting. Verifying? Packaged 15 files. Fascinating. Oh. Oh, is there a common update? Hmm. 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 Uh. Hmm. Oh, it goes all the way down there. Okay, I'm not sure if I want to do that. Well, let me give it a shot. Okay, so let's see. So I need to go in here and add this. Should be fine, right? Next, wide. I just added this, right? And then this has to go first. You know what? That might fail as well. Let's try it. Because I think I updated the ratio ops as well. Okay, so it's compatible. This is on a higher version. Okay, and then common, I do believe. What did I do? Like, it's probably a breaking change. Right, I changed. Yeah, no, it's quite breaking. Alright. What are you doing? Yeah. Sniff. Okay. So everywhere it's used. Oh boy. Freaking. It's used everywhere. This is tough. Is it here too? Probably. Yep. That's where I chuck everything. Writing code is hard. I don't think, yeah. And then this guy as well. Oh, not directly. Nice. What about this one? Does need common. Okay. Okay. Command changes. Okay, so common 7.0 misc. I actually don't know what was changed. I think I added all of this stuff. It is very much miscellaneous changes. Is it gonna work? Two point one. Nice. And then RBX loader. Is that gonna work? No. What? Why is this on 6? What? 7. Oh god. Oh god. Do I need to update this one as well? Really? Dependency tree is so complex. Like this is why I want a thing that just does it, cuz like I don't actually care what the version is. I just want to go like that's a breaking change, major version bump. That's a not breaking change, minor version bump. Publish, 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 and like not need to do this. I don't understand why that isn't possible. Um, shh. Hey. I went down the path of pain. Okay, can we do it now? RBX loader. Okay. So then probably BSP loader needs a new version as well. Because the map tool depends on it. Okay, that's fine. Oh boy. Come on. Why? Bro. Okay. So, gotta update it here. This one and that one. me see. Okay. Okay, and then now I can do this. Oh my god, okay. Surely this works. I don't really need a new version, but like everything is all in lockstep. Oh, I need sniff as well. Because it has to write to the sniff file for the thing. So, who depends on this? Let's see. Top level. My mesh. So I'll have to update that. Sniff. VBSP. Sheesh. Yeesh. Well, I'll do that later. Okay, sniff. Sniff, update, comment. And we also need that on the map tool. Sniff. Jesus. Is it called StrafeNet Sniff? It is. Manifest has no description. Have I been not publishing this? No, surely I have. Okay, that's not supposed to be like that. Okay, whatever. Map tool. Can I do that? Map tool. QOI? Is that from the image crate? Must be. This is where I shove all the random dependencies. Cool. I haven't published a binary package before. How do you build it good? Whatever. It should just work like this. So, is it? I think it's in here actually. Yeah. It knows what to do. There's more packages? What? That's kind of crazy. I should be able to just like do the top level one, right? I guess this is easier for me. So I don't have to do that entire dance every single time. Well, I did it. Made a bunch of new versions. Like anyone is going to use these before it's actually a game that's real. Is there a way to see a diff on here between the versions? Mm-hmm. 3 months ago, 8 months ago. Oh, it's freaking still going, man. Takes so long. Oh, it's checking and stuff. I kind of want to see like the code diff, but I don't know how to do that. I want to see the size. So it says 27 versus 29 kilobytes. Code. Oh, I see. Wait, search code. Wait, what? Emulator 4 warnings. This is a 4 warning. Unused import. Now, who did that? Runner. What? Oh, nah. Alright, new version. 0 megabyte upgrade. Even with all that error stuff, it's 0 megabytes different. Okay. 0.00. Okay, well, the minor update here is a pretty major update in the underneath. Error reports. What are error reports? Yeah. Well, that's nice. Update dependencies. It's always nice to get the dependencies updated. The package manager makes it so easy. So easy. Like this is the entirety of changes I had to make. Alright, I'm gonna run it. So this is the command before, and now it's just this. Bhop. Yup. Why don't I rename this? And then I can do surf log, surf all, surf. Do I even care about the old ones? I kind of do. ASD. Nice one. Alright, let's see how we do. We can actually keep this open while I run it. Empty face. Divide by 0. Ooh. It doesn't finish? Huh. Huh. 292 files. The old one was 290. There's only 292. There's only 2 extra. 1.6 gigabytes. 1.7 gigabytes. Well, how's the errors? Oh my god, 10,000 lines of errors. And I thought I could get rid of them all? What was I thinking? There's no way. Oh my god, bro. Errors. So there's only 17 sets of errors. It's cool. Textures missing property. Stage ID duplicates. Textures missing property. Stage ID duplicates. Missing a property. That's so weird. Textures. Wormhole out IDs duplicates. Really? Wouldn't it be great to know what map it was? Mode ID has duplicates main. Wait, real? There's multiple start zones. Surf the flash. Hold up. That's quite bad. I don't know if it's surf the flash. It might be a different map. Huh. Interesting that like they don't really cause problems, even though they're like pretty serious problems, like duplicate spawns. We don't got complaining. Surf missing property. It just skips the entire object when it's missing a property, which is bad. Interesting. And then the rest of it is mesh data errors. Brilliant. Many meshes. Awesome. I don't really care about the old surf maps. It's strictly better. Now what? I'm certainly not thinking about the DOM updates I was wanting to do. Anybody sending me notifications? No. Boo. I want notifications. Cream cheese spaghetti. Let's open it and see. I was thinking about all these crazy things, like, oh, I could refactor it and it would like make a async chunk iterator. Right. So the main thing I wanted to do was check the amount of time it spends doing these things. How would I do that? Basically, all I would need to do is go like this. I go like, oh, I'm a guy. I go like, time chunk decode equals to 0 time other equals to 0, and then begin, I don't know, std time friggin' now, instant now, and then t0 equals begin dot elapsed. T1, and then this is other. I guess I could go across loop iterations. Other. Type business. So I guess this goes here. This goes here. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Oh, is this a troll? Why is it always trolling me? Okay. So you know what? I'm just gonna like percent, I guess. Bruh. And then times over total. And then I mean, it's probably like if it's less than 1%, we literally don't care. So, okay, let's try. Let's try. Is it gonna print it or nah? Wait, text deserializer. I'm stupid. Hold on. Get out of here. Damn, that was dumb. Yeah, it was supposed to be here. Hmm. Okay, whatever. Just put a thing there. Okay. Ooh, 990. Okay, so it's 10%. Wait. Oh. Cool. That's good. So 10% of the time is spent decoding the chunks, and 90% of the time is doing other stuff. So multi-threading it would make it a wee little bit faster, but oh, that guy's different. 60%. Ooh. That might be worth it. Oh, 1%. 3%. It's so interesting. That's so interesting. So it goes from 1% all the way to 60% of the time. Oh, it's so slow. But that's expected because it's like a real place benchmark. You're decoding an entire Roblox file that someone spent a long time on. 8%. So the maximum amount of performance that can be gained is 8% from implementing that for like normal files. On the micro benchmark, 60%. So, because like what you could do is you could like read ahead with the chunks and then spawn threads that's doing like LZ4 decode or like ZSTD decode for those. You could, but like that would make it not WASM compatible, and it would make like basically not WASM compatible, I guess. And you need like either like async or rayon dependencies or fancy thread work stuff. Like 8%, probably not worth it. If it was like 50%, it would be worth it. But like this makes sense. There's like 10% because the file sizes are like 10 megabytes. And that's not a lot of data to decompress. Like when decompression takes a long time, it's because you have like 10 gigabyte archives and stuff, right? So it would 100% be worth it in that case, right? So if Roblox files were like 10 gigabytes, let's hope that doesn't happen, then multi-threading the chunk decompression would totally be worth it. This is actually something I need to think about for my Bhop files as well, because I have file chunks and I am planning to decompress them as well, or compress them as well on disk. But they are small. Actually, they're, you know what? It's probably worth it because they're going to be like 200 megabytes rather than like 10 megabytes at the largest. Or maybe they won't be. God. Decoders, encoders. It's so interesting. Well, I'm glad I tested that. Stupid text deserializer. That was a cool test. Well, I'm gonna go eat my cream cheese spaghetti. That's a good Friday for me. So I got all the error changes merged, and I observed a bunch of problems with maps that are in the game because of my tooling. Or I observed the errors because of my tooling. Didn't cause the problems because of my tooling. The problems were already there. They were just not known. And now there's a way to see them. I should probably run map checks somehow. For like the map website stuff. I sort of have been relying on like kind of slowly filtering through them over time as maps have issues, but that's not a good way to do it. Really, I should find all the problems and report them. Yeah, there's a surprising amount of duplicate stages. The new automated map checks will catch any new maps that have duplicate stages or spawns. That's stages, duplicate modes or wormholes. We also saw, yeah, no, I saw an error. One of the maps had a duplicate wormhole. It's very interesting. Yeah, all the errors are recoverable, but they're reported now instead of like panic. I could totally look for the divide by zero error if I wanted to, but it's probably like size. Part size is 0 or something. Yeah. Well, actually, no. That would give the zero determinant error. Gosh, I wonder how the NAN meshes are handled. Cause like if you handle them poorly, then you'll just have a bunch of vertex explosions. So weird. Probably it can just be defaulted to 0, but ugh. Anyways, this week turned out a lot better than I thought. Yeah, so on Monday I'll get back to the big bugs. I did 2 big bugs this week. And I was like, I want to do something else. And I think that's a good plan to like try for the big bad bugs and then heal my mental health so that I can get it done by the end of the year. Because it's an insane. Writing a physics engine is insane. That is very mentally taxing. So I gotta pace myself fixing insane bugs. Cool. I got a plan. Plan of attack. Well, I'll see you all on Monday for the attack on physics.